Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a head-to-head comparison of Canva versus Photoshop in 2025. Whether you are a casual creator or a serious designer, this will help you decide which tools actually delivers the best results for your needs. Let's jump it. So here's the quick summary. Photoshop is a Adobe industry standard software for advanced design, photo editing, and digital art. On the other hand, Canva is a cloud-based drag and drop design tools built for speed, templates, and easy of use. No experience required. When it comes to features, Photoshop offers pixel level editing, advanced retouching, AI powered selection, and deep layering control. It's perfect for photographers, artists, and pro level designer works. On the other hand, the Canva on the other hand, Canva gives you access the thousands of templates, stock photos, animations, and quick designs tools like Magic Eraser and AI design. It's amazing for social media, resume, presentation, and small business branding. So, if you need precision and flexibility, Photoshop wins. If you want speed and simplicity, Canva is hard to beat. Canva is clearly the winner when it comes to user friendliness, and it's designed for non-designers. Anyone can create something decent in minute, and the has a stable learning curve, but if you take the time to learn it, the possibilities are endless. As of 2025, Photoshop costs around mm, here you can see this USD to $22.99 per month as part of Adobe Creative Cloud, and the Canva Pro is here you can see this. I have used a free version. Then you can check this. Here you can see this Canva Pro free. I have used this, and the Canva Pro is the about $38 per month. Here unlock premium content and more per year. You can use this, and the Canva Teams for $35 per year per person. Then and there's still a free version with solid features. If you are on budget or just starting out, Canva is the better value, but Photoshop gives you more raw power of the price. And in 2025, both platforms have added impressive AI tools. Photoshop now has generative fill, remove tools, and smart layer controls, and also Canva features magic design, AI background removal, and even text to image generation. Both are keeping up trends, but Photoshop still leads in advanced control. Canva is faster for everyday content. So, which one actually delivers in 2025? Choose Photoshop if you are a professional who needs full creative control and detailed editing power. So, and go with Canva if you are a content creator, marketer, student, or a small business owner who wants speed, simplicity, and beautiful results fast. Honestly, you can't go wrong. It just depend on your workflow and goals. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more honest tech backgrounds, and let me know which one you prefer in the comments below.